Whooping cough cases are climbing at the fastest pace in years, and now 4 local teenagers have tested positive for the highly contagious illness.
Kristen Burnell live in studio right now with the very latest this morning from health officials.
Well, good morning, Kate and Patrick. Those 4 teens go to Portsmouth High School, and now school leaders are warning that the community should monitor their health closely, as everyone in that building is considered exposed to the infection. 12 News obtained a letter that the school sent to families and staff Tuesday saying all high school students are considered exposed. Local pediatrician Dr. Elizabeth Lange says there have been cases of whooping cough in school districts across the state this year, but there is no need to panic as the respiratory illness is not rare. She tells us it starts like a normal cold with a stuffy nose and a cough. It's typically not harmful to adults and older children, but it can be serious for young babies, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems.
Looks like every other allergies presentation, and it's only in the second week when that cough becomes a little bit more brassy, when it can be such a significant cough that people throw up afterwards. Certainly all of us should just stay vigilant to how we're feeling, and if we do have a little bit of a tickle or a cough, try not to be close to other people.
And the Rhode Island Department of Health says most high school age students are up to date on their vaccines for whooping cough, but breakthrough cases can still happen. Reporting live in studio, Kristen Burnell, 12 News.